So I get quite a lot of requests to create these custom population scripts, and I'm starting to run out of the time needed to fulfill all these requests. So this is a tutorial aimed at helping people learn how to create their own. So links down below in the comments section, well, in the description, is a reference file. The reference file will contain the script that you need to edit, and I'm now going to show you how to edit that. So once you've downloaded it, this will be the script that you need to edit. So just open that and extract it with 7-zip or WinRAR or whatever's built into Windows, and you'll get this root folder. You go into this root folder, you'll see two files, population.txt and add-on-info.txt. The add-on info is just a list of information that the game uses at runtime to display all the information you see on the mod screen, so like the title of the add-on here, the author and so on. You don't need to edit this, it'll work fine. This is just if you want to sort of give your edited version your own name. The actual meat of it is in population.txt. So you open this file, I've already got it open here, and you'll see a list of different areas. Now this is the base version that has all of the uncommon zombies listed. Now to start off with, I must warn you that the last stand update did break a lot of the scripting in the game, and some enemies, such as Riot cops, just don't seem to appear regardless of what it is you actually do. So if you create one of these scripts and they don't appear, that's just a bug in the game that you cannot fix. And although this population file does tell the game to alter the population for the old Left 4 Dead 1 campaigns, the same scripting bug prevents it from working. So unfortunately, I'm afraid there's no way around that. Those will just work the way they always have. There are also other bugs regarding Jimmy Gibbs, whereas for some reason he'll go down in one or two hits like every other zombie on the campaign where he's actually supposed to appear, but on every other he'll have the correct amount of health, which is 1,000, and he'll be extremely difficult to kill. And because he's supposed to be a racing driver with fireproof overalls, you can't burn him with fire either. So just beware that having a lot of him spawning on other campaigns could potentially make them quite difficult. So you won't need to add any, as this is the list of all of the commons that will appear, but you can take them away. So you've got here, these parts tell you which campaign or which map from a campaign you're looking at. So default just specifies the population for things like custom campaigns that don't have their own population layouts, and for any campaigns in the game that aren't covered underneath. Then you've got Cemetery, for example, here, Milltown, and so on. These are just different maps. Now I don't know exactly which campaign number refers to which ones. You'll just have to work that out on your own. And if you don't want one to appear at all in the game, you'll need to just go through and remove all instances of it. So you'll see that Jimmy Gibbs here appears here, and so on. And if you wanted to completely remove Jimmy Gibbs out of the game, you would have to get rid of all of these. Or you can also alter them so that different zombies will appear on different campaigns. That's entirely up to you to go through and customize it however you see fit. Right, once you're done and you've made all of the changes that you want to make, save the file. I'm not going to bother here because I haven't actually updated anything. And this folder here, root, forms the basis of your mod. You need to go to the folder containing your Left 4 Dead installation and drag root over vpk.exe. It will then create another vpk called root in the same folder as your additional files. Now rename that to whatever you want to. Now you've got two choices here. You can either publish it to the workshop for other people to use, or you can just use it on your own installation. If you want to use it on your own installation, just simply go into Left 4 Dead 2, then add-ons, and copy it over to this file. If you want to publish it, there is an item in bin here called Left 4 Dead 2 Workshop Manager. You open this and wait for it to load. If you've published anything else, then you just click the plus button and you sort of enter your description here and an image. It seems to use the 2:1 aspect ratio, so it doesn't need to be any bigger than 640 by 360, but any image that's a 2:1 ratio will work. Then you browse to your file, which is the one that I just created there, and then the best thing to do to avoid annoying everyone is just to tick script, but you can add it to other categories if you want. When you're done, just press I accept and upload it. Just remember though, if you don't drag it into your folder as I showed you earlier, once you've uploaded this, you will need to remember to subscribe to your own mod for it to actually work. It doesn't particularly matter which way you go about doing it. Just make sure you subscribe to your mod or put it in the add-ons folder to be able to use it, and that should be it. So thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy making your own versions of these mods.